Hello, phonics fans, and welcome to the first episode of Phonics with Fiona. That's me. If there's one thing that I love, it is phonics. What is phonics, you ask? Basically, phonics is all of the letters of the alphabet and the sounds that they make. Like how the letter S says S and M says mmm. Learning our letters and their sounds is super important. Without phonics, we can't read or write. And that's where I come in, your friend, Fiona Phonics. Now, good readers and writers know their letters and letter sounds very well. Let's quickly practice saying the whole alphabet together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Great job, everyone! Now let's start with our first lesson. What are vowels and consonants? And some new letters, A and I. Raise your hand if you know what vowels are. Vowels are very important letters. You need them to spell every word in the English language. They are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This time, say it with me, kids. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Great job! Consonants are the rest of the letters in the alphabet. Are you ready for some more learning, kids? Let's head into the classroom where we'll learn the new letters A and I. This is a lowercase a, and this is an uppercase A, or a capital A. But when reading and writing, we mostly see the lowercase a, so we're going to be focusing on that letter today. Quiz time! Is the letter A a vowel or a consonant? That's right, A is a vowel. Remember, vowels are very important letters. They're in every single English word. Now kids, tap your head if you know what sound the letter A makes. The letter A is tricky because it makes lots of different sounds. But in our Fiona Phonics series, we will only be focusing on one. Today we'll be talking about the short A sound, ah. Here are some things that begin with the letter A, like in apple, ant, and alligator. Do you hear the ah in front of each word? Now that we've learned a little bit about the letter A, let's talk about our second letter, the letter I. Who remembers, is I a vowel or a consonant? Wow, you guys are superstars. Yeah, the letter I is a vowel, just like the letter A. Remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This is a lowercase I. This is an uppercase I. But just like with the letter A, we will be focusing on only the lowercase I because we will see it more often in words. Now kids, tap your nose if you think you know what sound the letter I makes. The letter I is another tricky vowel. It has lots of different sounds. So we're just going to focus on one of the sounds of I, which is the short I, I. Here are some things that begin with the short I sound, I. Igloo, in, and iguana. Okay kids, it is time to review what we have learned in this episode of Phonics with Fiona. First, we learned the difference between vowels and consonants. Vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Consonants are the rest of the letters of the alphabet. We also learned two new letters, the letters A and I. Yay, you did it, kids! You learned so much in only one lesson with me. I think you deserve a dance party, so get out of your seat and dance with me.
Hey, you little whippersnappers, why are you making so much noise? Cut it out.
Oh man, Mr. Grumpy always ruins my fun. But I've got a great idea, Phonics friends. Grab your erasers. Attack! Well, Phonics friends, that was a job well done. Thank you for joining me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Phonics with Fiona. Let's learn more together. See you next time.